welcome back to our channel. I'm Teacher Cedric. For today, let's go through another PSLE question. So Mariam had caps for sale. In the morning, she sold 1/3 of the caps. In the afternoon, she sold 1/5 of the remaining caps. So that's the tricky part. And after that, there were 56 caps left. So how many caps did Mariam have at first? Let us first start by analyzing this problem. Well, in this problem, we see that we have fractions, and parts. So whenever you have a word problem consisting fractions and parts, what can we do? We can draw a model. So let me draw out a model. So this is going to be the total number of caps of Mariam. And since Mariam sold 1/3 of the total cap, then I can divide this into 3 parts. And let me cross out the first part to show that this part has been sold. Now in the afternoon, she sold 1/5 of the remaining caps. Then we first have to identify where is the remaining cap. Now you tell me where is the remaining caps. So it's the 2 parts at the back. So this is the remaining caps. Now we have to divide it into 5 parts. But I have 2 parts divided into 5 parts. Well, how can I do this? If I just draw it on our previous existing model, then it can look a bit confusing. So here's what we can do. I can draw another model that is exactly the same as the remaining amounts. They are exactly the same, and then divide it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since Mariam sold 1/5 of the remaining caps, then I will cross out this part. And then she has 56 caps left. Now where do I put this 56? Thank you. So it's gonna be this part over here. So from here we can see that in the remaining model, 56 corresponds to 4 units, 4 parts. So naturally we can find out 1 unit to be 56 divided by 4 to get 14. And now we have already solved this problem if you haven't noticed. With 4 parts equals 56, then what is this part over here? 14. And what is this 2 part over here? 14 plus 56, which gives us 70. So this means this part over here, 2 parts add up to 70. So what is the original amount? We simply need to figure out what is 1 part by taking 70 divided by 2, so we get 35. So this part is 35, so that the total number is nothing but 35 plus 70, and we get 105. So that's the final answer. But don't go yet. For this problem, the main takeaway is that whenever you see fractions and parts, to be more accurate, we call these parts fractional parts. Whenever you see a word problem involving fractional parts, then you should immediately draw out the model. And where do we start drawing the model? By drawing the total first. And then if you talk about the remaining amount, then we can draw another model below it so that we don't confuse ourselves. So that's the technique to solve this kind of problem. And if you'd like to learn more about our PSLE class, you can join our PSLE study group, or you can even book a free PSLE diagnostic test with our teachers. So that's it for today. I'm Teacher Cedric, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.